Hi again, I'm Cassie Burkich, CEO of Burkich Design Group. Thanks for hanging in there with our team. I hope you're enjoying the quick launch process so far. We know it's a lot of information for you to provide, but now that we have it, you get to sit back and relax while we get to work. Our quick launch week is broken down into 5 business days. Each day, we will accomplish tasks related to style, web design, and development. You'll hear from us by the end of most days with a quick turnaround due for you the next morning. That's how we accomplish everything in one week. Day 1 is Website Style Day. By the end of the first day, you'll see your website style guide. Using a cooking analogy, this is the recipe we use to create your site and ensure that it's entirely your style and not easily translated to someone else's site. You'll see color, typography, icons and elements, button sizes, button styles, and image styles that will be unique to your website and created especially for your target audience using the brand personality information that we've collected so far. Days 2 and 3 are our web design days. We use a tool to create a full website prototype for you. The design is not in development yet, but you'll be able to scroll through each page and click around. At the end of day 3, we will send you the full prototype to review. It looks a little bit like this. You'll send us your approval or small design changes before the morning of day 4, and we'll get them implemented into our development. At the end of day 4, your entire developed site will be sent to you, but don't worry, it isn't live yet. You'll have the chance to send us small changes before the next morning, and we'll adjust and get ready to go live on day 5. We'll also send you the video tutorials that will explain exactly how to update your website right after launch, if need be, as well as a maintenance package to ensure your site is constantly backed up and current. We want you to feel empowered to be able to adjust your website at any time. You'll never have to contact us to get a password or access to your site. But don't worry, we're here for you if you need support or help. We're your constant partner so that you never feel alone in your marketing. Have any questions? Just scroll to the bottom of your quick launch start here page and send us a note. We're here for you.